Welcome to the HTML course. Greetings to you all. I'm Jyoti Mandala, your guide, helping you in understanding the essential elements that define the backbone of every web page. In this video, we will be diving into one of the fundamental elements of web development, the image tag. Let's start by understanding the basic structure of the image tag. Image tag is represented by img in HTML. As we already know, HTML tags can be paired or unpaired tags. Image tag is an unpaired tag, which means it does not require a closing tag. Image tag in HTML is used to display a specified source image. Observe the syntax here. Image src equal to image.jpg, alt equal to some text. src stands for source, and its way you specify the path to the image file. If you want to display a specific image, mention the name of the image as a value to the src attribute. Suppose if it is stored somewhere else, then mention the complete path here. ALT stands for alternative text, and it is used to provide a description of the image. The text is displayed if the image fails to load or for the user who use screen readers. Let's see an example. Open the editor. Have a basic structure of the HTML document with head and the body tags. Add the image tag in the body section with source. Here I want to display smiley.jpg image, which is available in the same folder where this program is available. Save the file and check the file in the browser. It displays the image with a specified source. But what if the image source is incorrect or the file does not exist? Let's deliberately provide the wrong source path and see what happens. I will be providing alternate text, image not found. As you can see, the image source is incorrect and provide the alternate attribute with text image not found. Save the file, refresh the browser, then displays a broken image icon instead, but it shows that alternative text. Now let's explore some additional attributes we can use with the image tag. We can add some more attributes to the image tag for further customization. Here are some few commonly used ones: width and height attributes, which let you specify the dimensions of the image. Title attributes provides additional information about the image. Style attributes allow you to apply CSS styles directly to the image. Let's consider an example. Image src equal to smile.jpg. Alternate text is description of the image. Width is 300. Height is 200. Title is smiley and the style with the border 1 pixel solid black. When we load this page, in the browser, the image now has a border, a specified width and height, and a title attribute displayed when hovering over the image, means whenever the mouse pointer is on the image. More about this style you will be understanding in cascading style sheets. That's all about the HTML tag in the nutshell. Feel free to experiment with the different attributes and see how they affect the display of your images on the web. Thanks for watching. Hope this video is helpful and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy coding and remember the web is your canvas. Thank you.